Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to use ChatGPT Web Search feature on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. On macOS, you can install the ChatGPT desktop application. So I already have a video on it. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. So to the latest version of ChatGPT desktop application, we get a new feature called Web Search. So let me show you how you can use it. For that, simply open ChatGPT application, and here you should get a web search icon. If you're not getting this icon, then you can simply update your ChatGPT application to the latest version. To update the application, simply click on this ChatGPT menu, then click on check for updates, and it will check for update and install the latest available version. After that, here you should get web search icon. Simply click on it, and here you can see here we have the search option enabled. You can use it as a search engine and you can ask anything you want. Say for example, I want to know the weather information. I will simply type what's the weather today. And it will do a quick web search and it will provide the search result. Similarly, you can search for images. And here you can see it is searching the web. And here you can see here we have the images along with some information and a source. So that's it. This is how you can use the ChatGPT web search feature. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.